Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, today we're back to Euro currency analysis as our trading plan is mostly completed. So if you remember, we have the long played trading plan here. So first we have traded this leg down to the support area. Then we said that it will be a deep retracement to the upside and we're going long here. We have the long trade and mostly it has been completed, so it stands very close to the target. The same on the dollar index. So even the last week we have taken the short position in the middle of the week. So as you can see, it's approximately week has been taken from market to complete the target. At the same time, guys, we think that on the euro currency it probably will be compounded retracement. So it will not be just immediate upward trend continuation, but we suggest that's more probable that we will get a kind of the downside action. So kind of the ABCD pattern should be formed here. This comes from the overall view on the weekly monthly chart, and the picture that we have here, we have discussed this in our weekly research. So we said that more chances stands in favor of the possible two-leg retracement rather than immediate V-shape reversal and upward continuation. Upward trade has started, by the way, slightly lower than the 38%, so as you can see 50% favorite level for your currency. 50% support was also oversold, and this market has completed intraday our XOP target. As you remember, we were waiting for it two sessions before this has happened. This reversal has started, and that trading plan is mostly completed. So we've got the trade, we've got retracement. What we should do next? So following our expectations and take a look at trend turns bearish. It means that on some significant resistance we could search chances to go short. And on the 4-hour time frame chart, it seems that market stands very close to this area. I think that it should be somewhere around 124, 24.30, somewhere in this level. We should get possible opportunity to go short. Why? Because here we have this is rather deep retracement, and if indeed second leg will start, it should start somewhere from this area. We have here multiple resistance tools, so you can see this is A, B, C, bottom COP target stands at 24.35. This is major fib level 24.10. Also that will be weekly pivot resistance one 24.15. And it's, by the way, another tool that, as you know, if it will hold the upward action and market starts down, it means that this is just a retracement. So if weekly pivot resistance one holds upward rally after the significant trend down, it means that this is just retracement. That's why I think that something should appear somewhere in this area. At the same time, guys, I don't want to anticipate the possible reversal because we definitely do not know what will happen. That's why I think that we should, before taking the position, we need to wait some clear signs of the reversal. First of all, some pattern should be formed here. Major target and level should be touched by the price action. And maybe even it will be better to wait for a downside reversal swing. So as soon as it will be formed, you could try and take the position on some retracement. But not, of course, on the 4-hour time frame chart. That should be done on the maybe hourly chart, maybe on the 30-minute chart. Something of that sort, guys. For example, is drop lower or downside reversal swing. So you can see this swing down is greater than this swing up, and then taking on position on retracement, but in a smaller scale. Maybe this will happen, starts to appearing this scenario, maybe starts to form even from today's session, because in the 30 minutes we will get gross domestic product preliminary data for the fourth quarter in Germany. This will be important. Also a bit later will be European Union gross domestic product. And what's more important, later in the session when the US market will open, we will get the retail sales and the important inflation data, because right now inflation ruled them all. So you can see most concern stands around interest rates. It makes impact on all markets across the board, in commodities, bond market, stock market, and everybody looks right now for data for inflation, for forecasts, listening what experts are talking about, what the Fed representatives are talking. So that's major driving factor right now. That's why today it could be very volatile session, and maybe we will get more clarity by the end of the session when we will get major data and we'll see what will happen. But right now, within the just 25 minutes, we will get Germany gross domestic product release. So on the hourly chart, guys, market right now stands at temporal resistance. So you can see it has completed this ABC bottom XOP, extended objective point, XOP. And it's a target actually of our, let's call it the hand shoulders or something of that sort. So that's what we are watching here for possible starting of the upward direction. This is a logical profit objective has been completed, but I still think, guys, that market could move slightly higher, so it probably should reach slightly higher area. Also, just because major 618 resistance has not been completed, and as you know, on the dollar index we have the clear bread and butter trade, and we know the target of the bread and butter is 618 area, and it also has not been completed yet. That's why I think that some kind of the spikes here should appear, maybe due to the data release, maybe by some other reasons, but I think anyway, as we have agreed to wait for some clear patterns, currently on the hourly chart we also have nothing yet. So let's keep watching, because we're standing somewhere close where probably we could get the moment for taking the short again on the euro currency.